outfit check. Pink sweater, maroon skirt, black shoe, green bag. Guess where we're going at? The farm. So it's not something I need to look cool or whatever. Yeah. That's my hair. A simple ponytail. Girl is giving. See. You know what? Let's go. Finally, I've gotten to where I've not even gotten yet. I'm from this car road here. There's like a path I've used there. So I wanted to show you guys. So there's this called Safai. These things. This thing, bro. When I tell you, like I've walked, look at the path, and I've worn a skirt. So it's really hard because if it touches my body, I don't know, it has something that's really thingy to your body, so you must be cautious. Yeah, I'm getting to the main road where there's not a lot of this, the fighting. Yeah, this is the road. I'm from using some shortcuts. Look at the maze. I think I'll film while I'm going back because the sun, it's not, if I would be going like this, it will be better, but yeah, I'm going this way. Let me show you. Look at this cabbage. Wow. Look at that view. This place looks good and it's so quiet. There are not a lot of people. I don't know. I don't know why I love this place. You just can hear the birds. Nobody in the road. Just alone. Place looks good. So I've gotten to the place. They're taking the cows. Look at this view. Such a beautiful terrain. I think I'm not used to such terrains. At home is just, a flat surface. And you would have seen when I was coming down from that point, because I've come from that point. I was almost falling because it's a slope. But I love this place. I think I could just sit down here and just, enjoy people's homestead and, just enjoy the view. What are they planting? I think they're planting maize, a lot of maize plantations. What is that? I think potatoes too, but I think it's not the potato season. So not a lot of people have planted potatoes. So pretty. Yeah. That's my country. And that's why I love traveling. Like anywhere there's traveling, yeah. So right now I'm enjoying the view as I wait for they're gonna pick something. Yeah. As you can well see now. Oh, sawa. Oh, inapiga na. Kumani. Inapiga. Kwani imechelewa masaa yake? Nataka kwenda, hataki kurudi. Kurudi hivi. So ulikuwa unakuja. Kwani unakuja hakuna kusimama? Nasimama lakini sisimami sana. Habari ya nyumbani? Nzuri. Tuko poa? Tuko poa. Twende basi. I'll be going to the farm around now. So high. I'm leaving the place. One thing I love about my people is when you go to people's place, like you won't leave empty-handed. Like, look at my bag. Look at that. Yeah, those are things I've been given to take home. So yeah, I have to carry them. So let me carry, as I also do a lot of talking. Yeah, but this place, even the air feels fresh. Like the air in this place, you can just sit here and just, you know, enjoy. I love this place. I'll be back anytime soon. Look at the farms. New location. I'm in town. Bro, I think I should be awarded the walker, because what the hell, I'm always walking. So it's been I think week later, 1 week later, I'm back again to the farm. So today we are harvesting the potatoes. Yeah, so I think they're almost done. It's around midday.